What is up, you beautiful people? I'm Jayant, and in this video I'm going to show you how exactly to build a dynamic lead magnet. Now, what is a dynamic lead magnet as opposed to a normal PDF checklist and stuff like that? Here your customer fills out a survey and they get a very personalized insight driven response, which later on leads them to a sales page where you can sell them stuff. All right, to show you an example, this is a dynamic lead magnet we built for a leadership coach. That's how it looks like. Find out in 4 minutes if you would actually get the next leadership role for you. So who do you think it will attract? It will attract the right audience. And in the phone, this kind of looks like this. Okay. And then it's a 12 question diagnosis across 4 dimensions. And here we are filtering out some bad leads. This is built on Lovable, but you can also use ChatGPT Codex tested against Lovable that actually performs better. So you can click on this. It asks you some, let's say, questions. Let's say 25L. Let's say we go to, I don't know, directed to VP. That's 36L. You put like something like that. How often does the CXO mention your name? Regularly. Who advocates? Oh yeah, that's that. Who advocates for you in the promotional decision? So this one. How often are you invited? Quarterly. What is the largest budget of P&L that you have owned? So let's say 1 to 10 CR. How many functions outside your own do you regularly influence? Let's say none. The decisions you own most often are tactical, execution level, operational, cross-functional, strategic. Let's say tactical and execution level. When you present a win to the leadership, you usually lead with what we did, the challenge we faced, business outcome, and what it unlocks next. So let's say we do this. In senior rooms, you're known as a person who solves the problem in front of us. How do you talk about your team's result? Let's say, I don't know, this. How long have you been in the current role? 12 to 24 months. Let's say I'm stuck. Okay. Recent feedback, leadership. Let's do this. Okay. Now I answered a lot of questions. It does not showing my report yet, right? It's asking me for my name, email, phone number, and you can unlock this. And then it gives you a report that looks like this with a breakdown and an exact impact. But the fun part starts here. Want to level up faster with India's Premier Leadership Coaching? Click here to book a discovery call. It straight up goes to actually apply page. Ideally, it should go to a VSL page, which I'll change. It should go ideally here so that they quickly watch like an indoctrination video before they apply. Why this? Because if they apply, they don't have any context. A video really sells them on, on your product. I'll show you one more. This is for a cat preparation course that I built in the morning. Okay, it's like, are you ready for an IMA? It's a 2-minute survey that you need to fill. So you do this, and let's say you put whatever. I'll just randomly fill in the detail, and boom, 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 and it does some calculation, and and let's say unlock my report. There you go. It gives like a IM breakdown report with a lot of top 3 things to fix, and this, and boom, book your CAT strategy session. Go straight to the VSL, and people can book a strategy session from here. Okay, so this is how a dynamic lead magnet is structured, right? Now let us see how can we build it. So definitions wise, I already mentioned, it's an interactive lead magnet that delivers one specific insight driven outcome to one specific person under 5 minutes. As you can see, these, the ones that I built, they did it under 3 minutes. Now, before you start building it, answer these specific questions. Okay, I'll put your answer. And by the way, the link to this PDF document will be below this thing. Just sign in and just, get access. So specific persona, let's say, I would say example answer. My specific audiences are coaches and marketing agencies. Okay. By the way, this idea is not mine. I actually got inspired from this person named Ronin X Media on Instagram. Okay. The number one pain point, they don't have a premium high ticket offer because, let's say, of which they are stuck with low profit margins and terrible customers and don't have any lead gen system outside of referrals or webinars, which suck. All right, your paid offer, this should sell towards, okay. This is number one pain point. Paid offer, 3-month coaching program, which help them build video-based funnel, which will be designed to sell high ticket only. Okay, this is my answer. Now, the tools that we are going to use, okay? There are many tools that you can use. You can use OpenAI Codex, Claude Code, Lovable. We definitely need ChatGPT or Claude for this, okay? But I'm going to show you how to build this whole thing on Lovable because it's one of the best when it comes to like building any kind of web app or sort of an interface. So I'm going to use like a brand new account and like show you the whole thing. So let us go to lovable.dev. I already have my project here, so I'm going to log out of this. And you know, it's really worth the money. You can do this on Claude Code. You can do this on Claude, no, OpenAI Codex. I might create videos around it, but just use Lovable. I have tested all of it. None of the funnels come close to the accuracy that Lovable brings. You can even use other, chat to app builders, but this is great. So pricing wise, it's $25 a month. You can always start with $0 as well. So totally up to you. So let's get started. First, by the way, before you even start, let's just use Claude and you'll need to generate some ideas first. So let us just copy the first prompt. And this basically says, give me 10 ideas. Okay. And the input that we gave in the beginning, which is these three, copy them and you can paste them here. Now make sure this Opus 4.7 adaptive thinking. It also works really well on ChatGPT. I've tested it on ChatGPT. It's really pretty awesome in ChatGPT as well. Okay, so let it like do the thing. It basically creates 10 ideas that you can use to build your app on. So give it some time. All right, it was pretty fast actually. It created a high ticket price calculator. I mean, it's an idea. That's not bad. Premium offer diagnostic quiz, client profitability analyzer, VSL hook generator, sales page grader, high ticket offer stack bundler. Oh, this is nice. 90-day funnel launch planner. Oh, I like this one a lot. You know what, like obviously it's so easy to get confused. So we'll use the second prompt, which is this. Okay. It basically says to grade this whole thing based on pain specificity, speed to value, and basically give you like a final score. And you can pick the one that gets the most score or basically use your own intelligence. For now, let's just use our own intelligence. Let's see what AI has come up with. This is the first time I'm building it. So, and I think while creating this video, it will be a good idea to experiment between Claude Code versus Lovable, because Claude Code will be, well, it's inside Claude, so it's easier. Got it. So premium offer diagnostic quiz got 53 total mark. I still feel this is better. 90-day funnel launch planner. Okay. High ticket price calculator. I think I can bundle stuff. For example, I'll say I want to build 90-day funnel launch planner. There, high ticket, because this works directly with her offer, and primary, and this and this in one tool. Possible? Let's see. Let it give us some direction. Hopefully it works. Because if you combine all three, it actually uh, becomes an awesome offer. And actually smart if architected, right? 3 tools share the same input data. Yeah, 15 question intake is too much. Similar to all in one diagnostic, single 5 question intake, outputs all 3 results at once. Where will this live? I'll say standalone web app, something like that. Oh, I should have just said it's just in the planning phase. But anyways, let's just let it do the thinking. While it's doing the thinking, it's done it. Okay. What do you sell and to whom? Blah, blah. These are the 5 questions I'm going to ask. We should also ask their current revenue and desired revenue, and basically do a maths and output showing how many high ticket clients they need. That'll be even more valuable. I think it's going to turn out to a very valuable lead magnet. All right. Math output, your current price, defensible price. Ta-da. Fantastic. Ready for the lovable prompt. Love it. Now, prompt 2 is done. We have figured out a winner, right? Although, I'll be honest, this is the first time I'm building it. Not sure how it's going to turn out. Let's just copy the final prompt that we have. Okay. Here you need to give in your booking link. So basically, after they have filled the form, gotten the survey, you need to give them a link. I ideally recommend putting your VSL video over here. So, where is that booking link? We replace this with this link that we have, and the button. Okay, clear next step button. Book your one-to-one discovery call. And headline. Want this done for you. Built for you. Okay. Now you hit enter and it will give you like a prompt. So basically I changed the button link and some text at the bottom. I think that's a good input even for my, that's a good input even for this. The Q121 call. Okay. Now it gave us a very detailed prompt that we will be using on Lovable. We can actually use it in Claude Code, Codex, everywhere else, but you know what? Let's just do it in Lovable, and I can obviously try it and try it on Claude as well. Oh, there is one more thing that you can do, by the way. I forgot about it. I'm so sorry. It's so clumsy of me. So, if you already have your branding and the guidelines displayed, you can always be like, okay, say, this is my landing page. I took a screenshot of that page. Use this for branding purposes. And I can even take my company logo and put it here so that the final, I don't have to make any final changes to the whole output later on. That's so much easier. It's just one prompt and you have the whole thing ready, right? Though I'm not too sure if with 5 credits that they give, 5 daily credits up to 30 a month is what they give. Not too sure if it will be enough to like build out this idea. Oh, okay. So basically you have to change stuff in visual design. Got it. So what we'll do is we'll copy this. We'll open a new Lovable account. Just click on get started and continue with Google and pick like a Google account. I'll pick this one. Just continue. Let's make a little bit of change to the prompt. Okay, because obviously we need the visual design done as well. So now it says light tag, bro. It's all good. Doesn't matter. Next. Oh gosh, I hate these surveys. Surprisingly, I'm promoting a survey-based funnel. Good, dude. Okay, now there you go. Okay, everything is good. Oh no, I'm not upgrading it. Interesting, $5 per month. Credits remaining is 10. I hope it is more than enough. So I'll paste this, okay? And we'll obviously change the visual design. So copy it from here and locate the part which says visual design. Oh, there you go. That's the part we will kind of remove. Okay. And what I'll do is I have some doubts regarding the headline it uses because it's AI at the end of the day. Build the high ticket reality check core function, a 5-minute diagnostics that give you this. Oh, this is pretty nice. Find out exactly how many high ticket clients you need to hit your revenue goal and exactly how to get them, and a complete plan to hit that number in 90 days. Okay. Start the reality check, email capture, not yet. I think you're good. I really hope it gets done in 10 credits. If not, well, we'll do in Claude Code. So let's see. I hate these kind of tools which are very credit based. Okay. So while this is building, let us use Claude Code to build this one out. I don't think you can do it. Oh, you can do Claude Code here. I didn't know this. Oh yeah, you need to download stuff. Okay, you need Claude desktop app for using Claude Code. So let's just use Claude desktop app. I was just building out something really interesting. I'm gonna go here, and here you need like a new folder, paste the whole thing, and hit enter. So let us see which one is giving us the best outcome. And I really hope this is Lovable does it. You know, it's a good time to even do it on ChatGPT. Let me test it. All right. So what I did is, in the meantime, I downloaded Codex, Chat. So just Codex. So this is ChatGPT's version of Claude Code. So funny thing is, we are building out the same app in 3 different terminals. So let's say this one. So the way Codex works is very similar to Claude Code. You just put the prompt, it builds the app. Here I'm going to use intelligence high, GPT 5.5, and speed is fast. Let's hit enter, and it is just doing its job. And I'm going to do Claude Code on the side. Accept and allow all edits. So basically, I'm gonna see how Claude Code works as compared to ChatGPT, as compared to this. So anyways, while this is happening, I'm gonna check on Lovable. It is doing the work. I have 10 credits left still. So let me just pause the video, and I'm gonna come back once all the build outs are done, and we'll compare all the 3 together. You know what? I was really afraid that Claude Code is gonna mess up things. Sorry, not Claude Code. The Lovable is gonna mess up thing, but actually build the whole thing in 4 credits. I'm really impressed. Looks awesome as well. So let us see this in mobile version. Although it's not using my logo, I'll ignore it for the minute. Okay. So for coaches and agents, you want to find out exactly how many clients you need to hit your revenue goal and a complete plan to hit that number in 90 days. 5 questions, 3 minutes, 1 answer that changes how you package and sell. So let's enter this. What do you sell? Who do you sell it to? And what's the biggest outcome that your clients will get? Let's do I help corporate men lose weight. Very vague thing. Price per clients. How many of you do currently charge? 5,000 per month would be, let's say, 15,000, and 1 hour a day for 15 weeks. So let's say 12 hours total. What's your current revenue and what's your monthly revenue? So let's say monthly revenue that you want to be in. So let's say I'm 1,50,000 and I want to be at 15 lakhs. Next, what proof do you have? I have case studies, say written testimonials, before after results. So next, how many hours can you commit to what you have in place? It's 15 weeks. What you already have? I have none. Now it is doing the check. I'm so excited to see this outcome. All right. Boom, fantastic. Now it gives you the form where you can fill in your name, your phone number, and an email, and click on unlock my result, and there you go. Although it sucks on mobile version, on computer screen it looks good. Your defensible price is this much. All right, this is a very, very valuable thing, right? See, the 1 accelerator and 90-day private engagement to deliver this. So you can do ABC, total stack value this, for 15,000 clients to a $30 engine. Week 1, week 2, it gives like a weekly plan. One of this build out for you, will the funnel, blah, 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 book your one-to-one call. When you click on this, it goes to the VSL. Fantastic. There you go. Your dynamic lead magnet is ready. And now this will be custom to everyone, right? So obviously you can do the optimization. For example, I can say, use this logo, and obviously in the results page, and the funnel is not mobile optimized in results page, and I can give it that instruction so that now you can go ahead and create it. I got the notification from Codex. Let's see what's happening. No, not this one. Codex was prevented to change stuff on my Mac. Dude, like, obviously Claude and ChatGPT are trying to build out the stuff to the best of their abilities. Why is it still proposing a plan? I have no idea. I mean, yeah, I think let it finish its stuff, but I don't think it's as good as Lovable. And like I told you guys, I tested it earlier. Even for complex, dynamic funnels like this, Lovable has been like one of the best. So what I can do is in the next video, I will go ahead and create a custom a test between all three, and I'm going to show you which one wins: Lovable versus Claude Code versus ChatGPT. And Claude Code, though it's very famous and has a lot of applications, I still love Lovable. It's just so good, right? Let's see. Let's see. It has done it. So, how many more did it consume? It did not consume much. Nice. Very interesting. Let it load the preview. Let's fill in the details. So much better. The reason I'm so stickler of a mobile view is because 95% of your clients will come from mobile, so it has to look good on mobile. Like, I'm okay if it does not look great on desktop, but it has to look great on phone. Oh, they have also added like a sticky button. Fantastic. All right, so we'll hit publish, and by the way, it gives you like a Lovable URL. You can also have your custom domain if you are in pro plan. This is a free version, so we're going to do this. So just click on continue and just make it public, and you can upload let's say funnel planner, and it can be like create your high ticket plan, your high ticket funnel in 5 minutes, and maybe icon wise will upload. I'll probably save the logo. I'm just trying to give it a little bit of a professional look and feel. There you go. Fantastic. High ticket funnel planner. And I'm going to do my brand name. Okay. Click on continue and then publish. Let me just quickly take a look at what's happening in Claude Code. Oh gosh, they're still building it. Huh. ChatGPT has built it. Seems like that. All right, we'll test it then. Claude is still building it, so I guess it's going to take a long time. While Lovable has published it. So speed, dude, Lovable is doing it. I love it. Fantastic. We got a link. Now you can share this link to anyone that you like and ask them to fill this one out. Right? All right. So that is it for this video. But if you want to hang out for a final test, oh, hey, is this how it looks like? Okay. This is how it looks like with ChatGPT. Although I like the design of Lovable, I guess, right? So this is Codex. Click on Start Reality Check. So I help men, single men above 45 find love again and get into dating. That could be a great direction. 15,000, and let's say 20 hours per client. Let's say I'm making 1 lakh, 1 lakh 5,000, and I want to make 10 lakh rupees, and nothing confirmed yet, and none of the above. Okay, let us see if it creates like a good gap. No, oh, it did not blur the background, but it's still good. But oh, it did not. Okay, it did blur the main stuff, so not bad. And let's just put a thing. Okay, defensible price point is this. Blah blah blah. Constraint flag. Okay, I did like a good math. And then book your one-to-one call. Not bad. Let's see. Oh, hey, in the meantime, Claude has also done it. Okay, let's do the same thing. I'm going to put the same offer over here. And let's say, let's do 10,000, 20 hours per client, 1 lakh, and I want to make 10 lakhs. Next, I have nothing. Oops, sorry. I have nothing. Oh, there's no tick mark here. Yeah, dude, see, I told you, like, though it's very famed, Claude Code or ChatGPT Codex, they're not that good yet. Okay, nice. So, all right, j.com. Let's see. All right, gave like a price point. You scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You book a discovery call. Fantastic. All right, now, so Lovable one was pretty easy. It was free. Obviously, if you want, you can just go ahead and launch it. However, if you want to do it in ChatGPT and Claude, you need to ask, where is this stored? And it tells you the exact location of that file. Okay. And it'll give you like the exact folder location, because the whole file will be stored in your computer. You need to make it live. You need to upload it to a to like a to like a website, and you can go to Netlify, basically app.netlify.com. It's also a free place, and you can just upload the whole folder here, and it will do the job. So basically, go to the file that ChatGPT told you. This is here. See the build the high ticket reality check thing. Drag and drop, and it'll upload. It'll take some time. And then it creates like this whole thing, and now it is live. You can share this with people. GPT is disappointing, although not in mobile version. It's actually pretty clean in the mobile version. I still prefer the Lovable version overall. Now let's do the same thing with Claude version. Okay, let's say add new project, and we can ask Claude the same thing. Give me the folder name. Oh, sorry, give me the folder location. Give me the folder location. Okay, slash cc. So let me just go to Finder. This was the folder, so let's just upload the folder over here. Rename and deploy. I actually tested something, that leadership thing here today in the morning. I really hope it works on an online platform. It's working. Let's test out this one. Right. I like how GPT showed some results and hid a lot of results. And this report in itself is like very valuable. I love this one, this week by week thing. And obviously, when they click here, they go to the page where they book a call. Final verdict, I honestly loved. I mean, I hope you already know the answer. I loved Lovable's outcome. Lovable is like it's a niche tool, dude. Like no amount of Claude code can ever replace this. Second best is probably going to be Claude because of the design. Well, it's not that great of a design, but yeah, I mean, both of them lack the design display. This a little bit less, ChatGPT Codex. However, functionality wise, all of them have done it really well. Lovable being the best. So you tell me which one did you like the most, and if this tutorial was helpful, please create your own dynamic lead magnet. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. And if you want more such tutorials, subscribe.